Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today a quick one, another in our 2024 series of holiday treats with booze. Let's get going. Okay, first of all, 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Oh, hey, I should probably tell you, today we are making Drunken brownie dip. This is great stuff to dip marshmallows in, graham crackers, pretzels. You can even make it healthy by using bananas or strawberries. I'm sure that offsets everything else in this.
Probably not.
Now let's get it going. 1 8-ounce block of room temperature cream cheese goes into a bowl. Using a hand mixer, starting on low speed. I know most of you know that. I'm really saying it for myself because I've flung crap all over the place with these before. So we're going to whip the cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. Okay, I'm happy with that smoothness. Now goes in an entire container of whipped cream. And we shall mix all of that together. Starting on low speed. Again for me, not for you. Once you are happy with the homogeneousness of that, then goes in the rest of the ingredients. A 1/4 cup of moo juice. A 1/4 cup of your favorite liqueur. I am using Bailey's chocolate liqueur today. And 1 package of brownie mix. Now we just mix that all together until it's nice and even, and our dip will be ready. So, a pro tip. Know what kind of brownie mix you're using. I knew brownie mix was in here, I grabbed it, and I'm whipping it, and the lumps aren't going away. And I know the cream cheese was at room temperature for a couple hours. There's chocolate chips in it. They're not gonna go away. That's fine.
Does he know what he's doing?
Know you're better. All right, let me get this presentable, and then we'll get a judge in here and get some judgment. We'll see you then. All right, we got it all prettified. Now it's time for judgment from Bradley. All right, sir. I promise you, the lumps are chocolate chips.
Okay.
Yeah, choices.
Choices. We'll start with graham cracker. That's good.
Can you taste the Baileys in there?
A little bit. Just a little bit.
Awesome. Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Just a little bit.
We're not trying to get everybody drunk.
No. Please
Just
no.
add some flavor.
Exactly.
All right. Hey, there you go. It was quick. It was easy. And you can serve it with fruit, so it's healthy.
Kind of.
Hey, make sure you hit that like button. Become a Sunscriber. Hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Tell us where you're watching from or what's your favorite holiday treat. Hey, until we see you next time, fair winds and foul seas.